has not been done.
The United Democratic Party today observed 25th Foundation Day. On the occasion, the new office of the party was inaugurated. Speaking on the occasion, the party president Metbah Lyngdoh said that the party will secure a magical number in the upcoming elections. Veteran leaders such as Bindu M. Lanong, Metbah Lyngdoh, Jamino Mautho and others addressed the gathering on the history, the vision and the mission of the party.
Years have gone. This year, 2022, is a year we celebrated and we still celebrating of our attainment of our statehood, Meghalaya, which consists of the Khasi, the Jaintia and the Garo tribes. And here we are in this hall today with that agenda. We love our own and we will respect others.